Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into Survey Junkie app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So here's the breakdown. The Survey Junkie app is a simple way to earn small reward by answering survey in your spare time. It's easy to set up, the interface is clean, and you can cash out through PayPal or gift card once you hit a low minimum. It's great if you just want quick, no stress earning while waiting in line or chilling on the couch. But the drawbacks are very real. Most survey pay very little and you often get disqualified after starting, which can feel like wasted time. It's reliable for small pocket money, not a real side hustle, so you have to take it with caution. So in my opinion, I actually think the app is worth using if you manage your expectation. Think snack money, not a bills money. So that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.